Hello viewers, welcome to Simply Sketching channel. Today we will be looking at a watercolor sketch of Manju Warrier, who is an Indian actress. Manju Warrier is predominantly working in Malayalam cinemas. She is the recipient of a National Film Award, a Kerala State Film Award and 7 Filmfare Awards South. She has also done several wonderful Malayalam films, and the recent one being Vettayan. Even though the film underperformed in the box office, the song Manasalayo has been on the top of the charts for several weeks now and is still among the top listened songs. So I think I'm picking up this particular look of her from the movie. Please do enjoy the video, like, share and subscribe.